So I've always loved that bullet time effect from The Matrix, but the problem is to pull it off like they did literally costs hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this is my attempt with a single GoPro camera and a $30 ceiling fan. So here's the rig. Down below you actually have just the motor for the ceiling fan, which is attached to this wooden platform right here. And then you can see the GoPro mounts right here, and we have two flashlights that point toward the object in the middle. That way there's no shadows on this background here. And this is sort of the key, because relative to the camera's frame of reference, this looks stationary, but the thing in the middle looks like it's spinning. So you plug in the fan to get the full speed. So here I am cracking an egg in real time, and then here's what the footage looks like. Oh, and there is this.
Tiger uppercut! Tiger uppercut!
So I love how this turned out, given how relatively inexpensive it was, but it'd be awesome to make a sequel using an actual high-speed camera. So if you've got one and you want to do a cool project, contact me via YouTube.